Happy birthday! What have you brought for your friends?
Thank you, Mathwis. I have sweets to distribute to my friends. I would like to distribute all the sweets equally so that I have none left over.
That's easy. If you tell me how many sweets you have, I can tell you how many friends you can share them equally with and have nothing left over.
Let's see. I have 162 sweets.
162 is divisible by 2, 3, 6 and 9. If each friend gets 2 sweets, you can share it with 81 friends. If each friend gets 3 sweets, you can share it with 54 friends. If each friend gets 6 sweets, you can share it with 27 friends. If each friend gets 9 sweets, you can share it with 18 friends. But I think eating 6 or 9 sweets each might make them sick. If you share the sweets in any of these ways, you can divide 162 sweets without any remainder.
Thank you, Mathwis. This is perfect. I do have 54 friends at school whom I would like to share them with. Now I know that I will have to give each of them 3 sweets and I will be left with no remainder. You are amazingly fast at division. I wish I could divide as quickly as you.
Well, let me share some divisibility tricks with you. If a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is divisible by 2. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, the number is divisible by 6. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. Let's solve some problems now. 162 ends with 2, so it is divisible by 2.
Is 162 divisible by 3?
Let me see. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So, 162 is also divisible by 3.
Is 162 divisible by 6?
Of course. We have just seen that 162 is divisible by 2 and 3, so it has to be divisible by 6.
Is 162 divisible by 9?
1 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. So, 162 is also divisible by 9.
Can you teach me some other divisibility tricks?
Yes, I will. But let me see if you remember the tests of divisibility for 2, 3, 6 and 9 that you have learned so far. Let's try a bigger number. What about 1746?
Okay. The divisibility rule for 2 is that the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 and 1746 ends with 6. So it is divisible by 2. Now 1 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 18 and 18 is divisible by both 3 and 9. So 1746 is divisible by both 3 and 9. Since the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6 as well. Did I get it right?
Perfect. Just for some practice, how about the number 3054?
The last digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2. 3 plus 0 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 12 and 12 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. So 3054 is divisible by 3. Since the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6 as well.
Now, we can move on to the other divisibility tricks. If a number is divisible by 4, its last two digits are divisible by 4. Let's see if you got that. Is 532 divisible by 4?
The last two digits are 32 and 32 is divisible by 4. So 532 is divisible by 4.
If a number is divisible by 8, its last three digits are divisible by 8. Can you tell me if 532 and 7160 are divisible by 8?
The last three digits of 532 are 532 which are not divisible by 8. So 532 is not divisible by 8. The last three digits of 7160 are 160 and 160 is divisible by 8. So 7160 is divisible by 8.
If a number ends with 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. And here is the easiest trick to remember. If the last digit of a number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10, of course. Let me give you another number to test all the rules of divisibility that you have learned. Apply your mind and the rules to the number 6720.
The number ends with 0, so it is divisible by 2. Add the digits. 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 3, but 15 is not divisible by 9. This means that the number is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Since the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. The last two digits of the number are 2 and 0 and 20 is divisible by 4. 6720 is divisible by 4. The last three digits are 720 and 720 is divisible by 8. The number is also divisible by 8. The last digit is 0. 6720 is divisible by 5 and 10. Is this all?
Aha! You can learn one more trick here. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, it is divisible by 12. How about the number 8748?
This is easy. The number ends with 8, so it is divisible by 2. When we add the digits, 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 27. 27 is divisible by 3 and 9. Since the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. The last two digits of the number are 4, 8 and 48 is divisible by 4. 8748 is divisible by 4. The last three digits are 748 and 748 is not divisible by 8. The last digit is 8. The number is neither divisible by 5 nor by 10. And finally, since the number is divisible by 3 and 4, it is also divisible by 12.
Fantastic! You did it! Oh, I haven't given you any present.
But you just gave me the gift of knowledge of the rules of divisibility. Mathwiz, you are the best.